Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another brand new strategy for VIX75. I'm giving you guys my sniper entry strategy for VIX75 to kill the market like a pro. And not only that, I'll be showing you how I flipped an account from a $30 to a $500 in this same video live using this strategy. So there's no point to be afraid, guys. So please, if you are new to our channel, endeavor to hit the like button and subscribe, guys. So before I show you the strategy for the settings for this strategy, or how the strategy actually works, before I show you that, let me go ahead and give you the settings for this strategy, guys. So the settings for this strategy, we have 3 moving average. The first one is a period 100, shift 0, method exponential, apply to low, style is 3 pixel, color black. Right, when you're done, you click on done. The next one is period 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to low, style is 3 pixel, color blue. All right, so when you're done, you just click on done. And the last moving average, guys, is the 16 period moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to low, style is 3 pixel, color red. And when you're done, you click on done. So, and it gives you exactly what you have here on my screen. So now let me show you so guys, as you can see the running profit. All right, so this account was I flipped this account to this amount using this my strategy, guys. This strategy is a kill strategy, the moving average crossover strategy. So I've been able to flip this account. Let me just close my profit. I'm just closing my profit. Let me close my profit. I'm closing my profit now. I'm closing my profit. Let me close. So I killed it. This is massive, guys. This is too much. This is too much. This is too much, guys. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. This is too much. It was a nice flip, guys. It was a nice one. We killed it. We killed it. Done and dusted. So I'm done showing you. So um now let me show you how to, like, you flip your account using the same strategy, guys. So for you to use a strategy, you have to understand one thing: your candlestick patterns. All right, so, and what you are going to be looking for, you're going to be looking for market or rejections. So once looking for market rejections, you look for them. They can appear anywhere. Sometimes they can appear in a zone, or sometimes in a key level. All right, so here is an example of market rejection. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark them out and then show you how I've taken the trade on a live account. But I've already done that. So here is a market rejection. Here also we have a market rejection. All right, so just be patient, guys. Here's also we have a market rejection. I'm just going to go ahead and mark all those areas out. So for time, I think we're just going to be focused on these few ones, right? For time, for want of time, we're just going to be focused on these few ones, okay? And I think there was also a rejection here on the 30 minutes. I think I was correct. There's also a rejection within this area. So right now, let's go into it. For this strategy, you're going to be using the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame for your entry. But I prefer the 1 minute time frame because it gives you what a sniper entry. That is after when you have seen your market rejection. You use your 1 minute time frame for entry, okay, to get your sniper entry. So right now, let's go to the 1 minute time frame, okay, guys. So you can zoom out completely, okay, because it gives you a better view of the market, right? So right now we have our market rejection within this area. We have a market rejection within this area. So that's the area of a market rejection. So now what do? You wait for the moving averages to cross, just like we have it here. All the moving average were crossing and the price is below. Okay. So when you have that, what do? You enter your trades. Okay. You enter your trades. So you can enter anywhere here. All right, you can enter anywhere here. Your stops right above it. Okay, But with practice, you can be able to reduce your stop size. Okay, with practice, you can be able to reduce your stop size. But the key thing about this thing is, once you enter, what happens? Once the market moves from you, like to this distance, or even far move, you move your stop loss to profit. You move your stop loss. You move your stop loss to what? To profit. Trying to change the color of this. Okay, let me see. You move your stop loss to profit, guys. So what you do is you move your stop loss to profit. You move your stop loss to profit. That's what you do. You move your stop loss to profit. So that's that for the strategy, and it works very well. It works very well. So here again, you see on the 30 minutes, within this area, guys, you can see this market rejection within this area. On the 30 minutes, you can see this market rejection within this area. So now going to your 1 minute, and you on the 30 minutes too, you have also found out. Sorry, let me just clean this. On the 30 minutes too, you have also been able to find out or establish the relationship that the moving averages are what? Moving upward. All of them are sloping to the upside. So therefore, the trend is up. And also, if you should buy this market rejection within this area, you are what? Not wrong. So you go down to your 1 minute time frame, guys. You go down to your 1 minute time frame. Right, let's go get right into it. So the first time you would have bought within this area, guys, after the moving average crossed. All right, and what happened? It fell right back into your entry. Okay, so that's why I always advise move your stop loss into profits. Okay, after it moves in your favor. So right now it would have stopped at what? A break even. It would have stopped at what? A break. You move you enter here, goes into your favor, and move stop loss into profit. It takes you out. Okay, right now again it crosses over again within that same zone, and there was still market rejection. You enter again, you move your stop, it goes, move your stop loss into profit, and it runs and it's profitable. Okay, so there's no way you are going to blow your account if you apply the strategy correctly the way I've taught you guys. So within this area again, now we are just going to go to, if we go to the higher time frame, it will be scattered, guys. So if we go to the higher time frame, it will be scattered. So, but I've already marked those areas where we have market rejection. So here we have our market rejection, right? And we have the first candle which rejected. Okay, and if you have sold and your stop loss, if you have sold with this candle which rejected first, all right, I'll go ahead and show you with this candle. Let me just clear this. Okay, if you have sold with this candle we rejected first and your stop loss right above, the Deriv would have taken you out. Okay, but if you were patient, okay, and you sold when the moving average is crossed over on the 1 minute, okay, and your stop loss still above, you have been profitable. So that's how the strategy works. It is meant to help you grow your account. Okay, for me, I can stack my account whenever I see this confirmation, stack it the way I want it. So that was how I was able to flip that $30 account to the amount I was able to flip. Okay, so that's that. All right, and it works very well. It works for me, which means it can also work for you. So we also have a within this area, okay, but there was so much noise within this area. So there was so much what noise. So there was so much noise within the area. So now you wait, and now what happened? You have your moving average crossover within those zones, all right, market rejection area, and then now you have taken your buys, right? Move your stop loss into profit, and you hope achieve your target. So that's how the strategy works. It works very well. It works very well. It works very well, and you hardly go wrong with the strategy, guys. You hardly go wrong. So all you have to trade is market rejections. Look for market rejections. So here is the 4 hours rejection, which I told you guys. I'll show you guys on the 4 hours. So I also mark it. Let me mark it. Let me just go ahead and mark it on yes. Let me just go ahead and mark it so that I'll show you guys on the 4 hours. So so now that's the 4 hours rejection. So if you have sold any other time, so at least here, if you have sold here they would have taken you out. Okay, but they would have taken you out. That would have been a losing one. And but I'll show you the reason why I said you would have sold here. Okay, when we go back to the higher time frame, I'll show you the reason why I said you would have sold at this area. Okay, so you would have sold here. Okay, stop loss maybe probably here. All right, move your stop loss to break even when it goes down, and then let it play out. So it plays out, plays out, plays out. Market comes back almost to your entry. Okay, so now this is that area we marked on. No, this is not it. Okay, okay, yeah, this is that area we marked on the 1 minute. See the market rejection. See the market rejection, guys. See the market rejection. It actually rejected. So right now, let's see if we can get to this other area. This area, there was market rejection on the 4 hours. How did I know that? Because I actually traded it. Okay, I actually traded this particular strategy. I actually took this trade and I was able to. I took it from there and I was able to exit right here. That was Sunday, probably Sunday. Yeah, probably Sunday, and I was able to exit at that point. 2 Sundays ago, I was able to exit at that point. So right now, let's go to that area. Okay, I'm just gonna mark it blue. Just gonna go ahead and mark it blue, so that when we go there, we'll be able to identify it. So let me give you another reason to why I would have sold that pair. So you see this 1 hour rejection here is actually reliable. That's one. The engulfing candle here is also actually reliable. Okay, so based on that now, you can use your 1 minute time frame to get your sniper entry. Okay, you are trading on the higher time frame. Okay, you are trading the higher time frame, guys. So you see this that's no, I don't think that's it. Let's keep going. Okay, no, that's not it. Okay, so this is it. The market could not, because of how far the market has gone, it could not allow us to get here on the 5 minute time frame. So I'm just taking your entry, guys. You say entry, you stops right there. Okay, you stops right there, and you have waited patiently, and then once you broke below, all right, once you broke below, okay, as you can see, you move your stop loss into what profit and hold. Move your stop loss into profit and you hold your trade. So there's no point to rush into your trade and out of your trade. So thank you for watching this video, and please enable to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, and feel free to follow us on our Telegram channel, okay, for better signals and strategy, guys. So thank you guys, and have a lovely weekend. Let me show you how I flip that account to a $500 using having a $30 capital.